is good, everybody? This has been one of the most highly requested videos from IG to Twitter. It's this right here in Flight reacting to some crossover video of the decade. Now, I've been supposed to react to the video, y'all, but I had a headache for a while. I just came on my headache. I did hit Flight up as well, so me and Flight will be linking up to do some workout. Well, I ain't say some, he might tap out. Well, we gonna do some type of workout video, all right, y'all? That's already on the plan, but I'm gonna go ahead and react to the video. Reacted to Flight got crossed. Let's see what type of delusional talk he talking about, man.
Channel. You know, so I was going like probably 70% because I was already gassed.
Wait.
What it do, Flight crew? FT.
Flight not high this video. This is a rare occasion. Flight is not high, y'all. I know when Flight high. His eyes are red. His face is droopy. And his lips are super wet. He's that high.
See? Flight team,
sit down.
Hey, man. Now, a lot of y'all gonna be questioning me and have a lot to say. And I can just, before I even continue, bro, I had to play like a second game after my IRL against Kenny. And basically, and you guys don't know what it is, it's too hype, you know what I'm saying? The one I just played the last IRL. I played another one, you know what I'm saying, for his channel. You know, so I was going like probably 70% because I was already gassed.
Flight, you acting like he had exact same probability. He beat you both times. So therefore, he's more tired. To be honest, you're so trash, he probably even had to try. So you know what, I give you that. But you act like you're the only person on the earth right now. He's literally right. He played you twice as well. That's not two Kennies. You don't get a Liu Kang and then a Kenny. Both of them Kenny.
So, I just want to let you guys know that. I'm not throwing no excuses out there. It's 2020. This game was in 2019.
You just...
It's a fresh new year, you know what I'm saying? Got done, you know what I'm saying, doing a little bit of light fitness, some weightlifting, you know what I'm saying? Did a couple of curls, you know what I'm saying? I'm already, you know what I'm saying, getting some tone and muscles, you know what I'm saying? So, you know.
You don't believe in yourself. You wear the long sleeve. You don't believe in yourself, bro. You don't believe in yourself. Hey, that's a small you're wearing.
Protect your girls. So, with that being said, we're going to check it out. Cash always got to say something. No, always. Bro, and it's just like funny. How does he find his videos so fast? Like, Kenny look like he just probably started YouTube like 2 months ago. Like, how do you find something this fast, bro?
Didn't you just put Katana hit the two hype manager, nickel? You get me get out of my character. So therefore, I'm in too hype. So therefore, he is doing his job. Flight.
Yo, what is good, everybody? You got this for my IG at CashNasty, and you guys been hitting my Twitter at CashNasty as well.
Facts.
If you guys not follow, make sure you guys follow. And also, check out my boy, Kenny.
You know how we coming, yo.
Whoa, how can I ever forget that? Sit down.
Yes, sir.
I'm playing with one hand, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I'm the best basketball player, but we're going to make it a little interesting. I'm going to redeem myself. Hey, when you was 15, what?
Flight, you know I beat you in one hand myself? I don't know you remember that? That's in 2019 too. Stop texting that girl, man. Watch the video, Flight. Dang, man.
Like, you keep my name in your mouth and stuff, man. What's good, man? You trying to get a rebound?
What are you talking about?
Stop texting that hood rat you texting right now. We all know what you texting, bro. Chill.
Doing nothing.
Flight, let the thing go. Let her breathe, man. Flight, wait. Watch the fit. Do your job.
She has a Mario Kart in that bit. Look at the dribbles, though. But I missed the ball.
You double dribble. dribble.
No, I didn't. He hit the ball.
Hold on, man. I'm actually on IG. You guys spam me right now on IG, bro.
Soldier with one hand.
He used
One hand, Flight.
He used two hands. He just used two hands, low
Why
key.
you not guard that one side?
Bro, this dude acts like he's a coach, man. That's the funniest thing.
No, I like a friend who disappointed in you. This is what real friends do, Flight. Alright, if you walk in public with a book in your nose, I'm gonna tell you. I'm not one of these dudes. You been at one time you had one guy sit right beside you and you released that track. Fuck you, you stupid bitch. Whatever that song was. That wasn't a friend, man. I'm a friend. I'm gonna let you know before you put that thing out there. Do not upload this, bro. Alright, I'm that dude.
He using two hands. It's not even taped up.
It's the most, bro. No disrespect to anybody that handicapped, bro. Kind of know something about, unfortunate situations happen when they lose ligaments. I'm telling you, a legitimate handicapped person with one hand can beat Flight. Even though we know that the guy can dribble left. Flight's stupid. He gonna be guarding him to the right.
Bro, because he's
He gonna
right-handed,
make
bro.
the dude.
That's why it is. I already know I'm not gonna finish the full video.
One hand can beat Flight. Even though we know that the guy can dribble left. Flight's stupid. He gonna be guarding him to the right.
Bro, because he's
He gonna
right-handed,
make
bro.
the dude.
I ain't gotta explain, y'all. So if a guy can go only to the left, you gonna guard him to the right because he's right-handed, but he don't got a right hand.
Dude, he gonna make the guy go left. Even though he got one hand to go left. You guys see what I'm talking about, bro?
Flight give me my emotions, bro.
Y'all. I should have just laid it up.
But you didn't. Cause you couldn't.
That was a travel, low-key. I make that? Yes, sir. First time seeing. That's first time seeing it on Kenny's side too. Got some nice edits. See how I make those. That's why I take those shots. I make that type of stuff. That's my shot. NBA players copy my long range, long arm brick shot. The finger roll. That's a classic called a finger roll. You guys born in 2008 don't know nothing about that.
Like, make the guy with one hand go the opposite direction.
You got nothing to say about that? You got nothing to say about that?
This dude swears he's a coach, bro.
He get aggravated without pause.
How much you want to bet on that?
What?
Me and my guy Flight just don't know.
Look at them crossovers, though. Damn.
Why it hurt to shoot the ball, bro? Why do it hurt when you shoot the ball, bro?
Move. It's my jump shot. Like the way I dribble that ball up.
But do you like the way you follow up? When you dribble the ball up, do you like that? Hell no, you don't.
Like, you don't feel like somebody's just trying to give it up, like.
No one's giving nothing up, bro. I'm just tired. I'm gonna just say one thing I'm gonna start doing a lot more in 2020. I'm gonna take it back to my old, you know what I'm saying, middle school and high school days when I was in my prime of playing basketball. Because we're gonna go back into our prime. We're literally gonna start attack. We're gonna turn into D Rose / Dwayne Wade / Iverson play style. We're just gonna start attacking the paint. I used to always literally attack the paint relentlessly. I always relied on my layups and athleticism going inside the paint, but I always used to get punished because I always used to take hard falls and take hard collisions and all that, bro. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'm lifting weights and I'm gaining muscle, so I'm going to be able to, you know what I'm saying, like recover from the impact. So that's what I'm going to just start doing now, bro. I'm going to probably take less threes. I'm going to still have a Steph Curry play style, but I'm going to, you know.
Shut up. I'm still got the Steph Curry 3. Shut up,
Keep
man.
on airball that.
You trash. Like it's just no if it's a plus about it, bro. You're trash. Like with a stutter trash, like trash. All of them together.
He off. And he just makes it, bro. Dude,
Yeah, he just makes it 'cause he put time in the lab.
Last video on my other channel, I said somebody's using a remote. Somebody has to be using a remote right now, bro.
Remote to what? Remote to what? Remote where? The rim? You, Kenny? What was the basketball? The floor? Bro, man, you gonna have kids watching your videos, bro. Your own kids gonna watch your videos, bro. They're gonna look up to you. They're gonna watch this video here, bro. They could be embarrassed to go to school. You feel me? When the teacher last name, you know, they say, let's just say you call your child Flight Junior Dud. All right, Flight Dud. Kid gonna be scared, like, here, it's embarrassing, Flight. What are you doing?
That was a football move I did. And watch. Did he make the shot? Did he make the shot? Watch. I know what I'm doing. It's a football move, bro. Nice floater.
So it's a football move in basketball. After you just preached to me that I should be doing football, that I'm a football player basically playing basketball. But for your reason, it's good now. And you want to gain muscle. But for me, it's bad to play with muscle. Which one is it, bro? See, guys, I'm telling y'all, all right? We get a high flight and we get a sober flight, all right? Both of them trash, all right? Both of them delusional, but one is a little bit more delusional. I mean, the high flight is more delusional, but more entertaining. The sober flight, it's just as, but not as delusional, but still entertaining. You gotta keep, you know what I'm talking about? This right here got sense, the other one just don't got no sense.
Let's go.
Okay.
You surprised yourself.
Right, and now you're ready. No, like, okay.
This is a Kobe-like shot. Oh! Bro, I'm gonna bank that bitch. Damn. Bro, I'm literally so gassed at this point, bro. He off. Look at that size up move, though, man. Immaculate cap. Damn, no, bro. Hold on, man. Bro. I'm like one more level away from getting drafted into the NBA. I hope you guys know that, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a beast and a legend at YouTube, music, and streaming. But, bro, imagine if bro, that's why I'm training and you're going to really see where, bro. This move right here you know what I'm saying, gives people like Iverson
Keep going.
inspiration, bro. And I'm sorry to have to use Iverson's name because he's one of my favorite players of all time. You know, in fact, I shouldn't even take it there because Iverson is able to do all types of behind the back and shifting moves. So I still got a little bit to go. I'm going to probably say LeBron James, you know what I'm saying? Because LeBron James really has casual, you know what I'm saying, you know, I have a LA membership, fitness membership handles.
So LeBron got LA membership handles. Then what you?
Bro, this gives people like LeBron and the Lakers a run for the money, bro. I should have made that shot. Somebody use the remote to get on the sideline, bro. I don't know what it is. Wow.
You better try to push it up to 15.
Want some ironic stuff? Max has a better confidence and a lot more luck this game. You know he's playing one-handed, getting a lot of good shots. If my stamina is kicking.
Bro, I had some damn like halftime show, bro.
This is the most delusional.
Delusional's not even a word. Yo.
Yo, hey, I'll tell you, Kuko is not even a word. It's not even a person.
Did you graduate high school, yo?
You just said it.
You just said delusional, bro.
Um,
That's not even a word. It's only delusional.
he got no stamina.
I think Flight don't get the jokes that my sense of humor when I do them type of things. It's because you're so known for being delusional that I gave you the props of being illusional. You don't catch the joke, don't you? Probably because you gotta be delusional to catch the joke. You trash, bro.
Finally, after all the years, like somebody would finally whoop your ass enough to where they whoop some delusional in you. Some sense into you, bro. Hey, man.
Guys, so I'm playing one-handed, as you guys know. It's not that bad. I really thought I was going to get smoked a lot more, but I'm blowing by him pretty easily. My threes are actually falling down. That's phenomenal. And yeah, we just got to finish off the game strong. Can't let down, man. He's actually getting some shots. He already hit 2 bank shots.
Bro, Flight like an alien, dog. Flight look like an alien, dog. Dog look like an alien, bro. Dude look like an alien, dog. Look at Flight, bro. Dang, man, what happened? Dang, where the video go, bro? No, bro. Hey, get back to the video, man. Get back to the video. Where is that? Where the video? Where the video?
Can't let that happen again. Close game, but I got to finish strong.
Flight like an alien, dog.
Ooh, good shot, bro.
It's luck, man. Dun, 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 dun.
Dang, Kenny handling you,
He's
boy.
not even using one hand either. It's not.
guarding someone with one hand.
Bro, first of all, he's not. Now looking back, because Cash had his hands taped, bro. This is not one-handed, bro, at all. I don't care what nobody says.
Like
You still have the ligaments to do this muscle memory, bro.
Imagine not being able to rob someone with one hand.
And imagine being called a foul because I play by NBA rules. You can't just sit there and reach. That's a foul. That's why I love when people that play these pickup street ball games and they just think they can reach it all the time. When they just go and play at the next level, bro, they just get called foul all the time, bro.
You can't even play at street level. Dog, you're a noob. Dog, you that kid in the gym who play on the lower goal side, bro. No one picking you up, man. You're not on advanced level, man. You're not a pro. How about you start with the fundamental basics, bro? And learning how to put the basketball in the hoop consistently. How about that?
I laugh. Those are the ones that ride the bench the whole time.
And I beat
Bro, you not even have a chance to ride a bench. No one picking you up.
some
I've
real
seen it, bro.
Because my heart is bigger, bro. People who got more skills than me, I admit, I beat some real hoopers because I just got more heart. And I'm just not one of them nonchalant guys. I'm a try hard. I'm a try hard in life.
No, you're a try hard at defense.
You feel me? So it isn't working
But no, that was facts though what he said at the end. You can be he's a try hard at everything else, which is a good thing. Like cause I'm the same way, but he's a try hard on the basketball court.
Imagine
That is only on defense.
Only on defense. That's how I beat you. I beat you just by locking you up the whole time. That's how the hell I get points, fight. How I beat you with one hand with just defense.
that. Just tie those shoes up, like, just hang them up, bro.
Nobody's hanging those shoes up.
Power line, bro. It kind of gives his basketball stuff up, bro.
Nobody's giving up basketball, bro. Bro, imagine a grown man telling me to give up basketball.
Imagine being grown and being that trash and not giving up basketball. How about that?
It's off. Hey, yo. Hey, and by the way, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. I'm not taking the ball back no more. I'm tired of people. Bro, I literally could have had like 4 extra points every single IRL game the last 3 games. I'm not taking the ball back anymore. And you don't have to take the ball back in 2020 and up if you hit the backboard and it's an air ball, bro. And that's fine.
I've been playing that way. If it's an air ball, yeah, you should take it back. How you guys feel about that in the comments, bro?
Look, didn't want to reward me for the steal. Nice floater. Nice cap. Immaculate.
He's out rebounding you with one hand.
No, he's not. I have like 15 boards. He was just making up stats. Tired of losing, bro.
Don't get mad at the game, bro. Get mad at the player, bro. The game never changed, bro. The player always do, bro. Look on punch the ball, bro. Look. Weak punch, man.
Nah, because I low-key missed the ball. That was a weak punch on that one. Hey, ain't nobody want to say nothing about the last punch.
I can't say shit. You lost a one.
What you do with your hands, yo?
You know you're gonna react to this guy. Let's get it. Cash, go brush your teeth, bro. Hey.
My team's brighter than yours. I'm out here, bro.
Man, that's gonna end it off. We didn't really lose with one hand. Now thinking back at it, because he didn't have.
Bye, bro. Bye. I'm about to stay, y'all. But I got time to do more fly.